Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a room. So there's a create button down here. You press create new room, then you press create. You can name it anything. Or you can go to create right here and leave it in. And then you press create new room, and here's all of these base places. You can do anyone. Then I'm going to be making a room to demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to make a room called Wow. I'm going to a name for I can remember. I'm just going to show you the basics of the makerpen in here. You might already have the knowledge of makerpen, you just don't know how to create a room. So if some of you watching this,
you can name and publish this
don't
room
know how
by
to
pressing
use the
this
makerpen
room on your watch.
I'll show you. So let me fix these. So once you have your, let me show you how the makerpen actually works. So you'll start out with orange. So you go to home, backpack, makerpen. You can favorite it, unfavorite it. If you favorite it, you can grab it from your back. Look. And you'll have something that looks like this. And this, snapping. If you want to make a straight line unlike this, let me show you. You see snapping right there? Put it on grid. Now surface. You can put stuff on surface. Like this, look. Oh, this is part 1 of creating a room. I'm actually in the process of making my own room.